Here we go. Subterfuge box break 25-29. Big points contenders. Part 1 of 6. So at the end of this one, it's pretty cool. There's about $500 in prizes. Box of stickwork, box of 14th edition, and a box of final vaults. All get open for the hit draft. There's that beautiful Bobby Orr, Ken Dryden, Bobby Hall, Gump Worsley card. Very expensive card. Anything with Dryden in it, very expensive. I paid out for that card pretty good. And then there's a box of Canadiana, which has a lot of hockey in it, but it's Canadian talent. Pretty cool stuff, actually. I used to give that away all the time. Anywho, a little synopsis of our prizes, and here we go. Bunch of you guys in there, and the heavy hitters are taking this biggins off, I think, because there's no Jack and there's no Chuck. So it's going to be all Tex, I think, in this one. Taz got a Ninja, and Tex and Andrew with the 5+. Tazer, Jacques Plante, stack the pads magnet for you. I didn't have any Chicago ones on hand. You get 9 darts. Eventually. Yeah, I like that one. Oh, I was bidding on a Jacques Plante pads today, but I didn't get it. Champ short print. Single 4. Triple 18. Double 2. Boom Sauce S. Boom Sauce. Oh, man, didn't I just see this S and O come up? Should mix this up a little bit. The Champ short print came out too. Single 6. So we're at 4. Yeah, for sure. Double Bull. 5 darts. That's a good one. The miss doesn't count. And double 11, 6 darts for you. Those over there too. And 3 more. Get them parts. Double 14. Double 15 and triple 5. Alright, Champ short print coming up for you. What do I got here? Yeah, we'll go with a Derek Forbort rookie card. Which are technically short prints and that stuff. And Tex has got a wheel spin. Tex. There's no rye on the wheel anywhere. No shot glasses or anything like that, so you ought to look. Ottawa, 2 darts though. Two darts for Tex. Triple deuce. Triple 5. That's some good darts. And Andrew's got a wheel. Andrew, if you haven't seen my email, it's your pick in the draft, buddy, I think so. True story. Hey, Andrew, Toronto Maple Leafs. That's a good one. Yeah, Mike's movie mag and 6 darts. Andrew, what are we going to give you? Like one of my favorite movies, Planes, Trains, Automobiles, for you. Alright, that's 6 darts for Andrew. He just spent a bunch too, so it's going to work out well. Double 9, OT Blue Random. Yes, this is Biggins. Boom Slash U. Single 11. Eventually, when I'm done with all the bonus stuff here, double 13. Triple 12. Double 19. And single 14. So I'm going to blue random right now. How many of those we got left? Let's see, we got Rick Nash. Rick Nash for you. Put these over here. And that's it for shenanigans. We are on 2s for this. So, on the inner box, part number 1 of 6. I haven't opened this stuff for a long time. Since I think maybe my 2K. I had a box of this in my 2K. So yeah, base cards are front of a point as always. There's lots more base in this stuff. Sticker autos, 2 points. Hard autos, 3. Doesn't look like any booklets in this box. A little bit extra 2 points. And any random cards you got a random, like a 6-way auto or something, it goes, all the points go to the winner. Detroit 10th, protects. Chicago 10th, Montreal 10th, Matt. Adams got a St. Louis 10th, and Renault doubles 10th. An autograph on this one. Ryan, you got a 10th. Islanders PJ 10th. Autograph for the Philadelphia Flyers and Mario. Hard autograph. Mario 3-point card. Olivier Lordson. Olivier Lordson hard auto for you. Calgary Mike 10th and Vancouver Andrew 10th. Renault 10th. Jonathan Bernier for Rob. Oh, Rob, nice to see you. I haven't seen you for a while. You got a 10th of a point with this, so there's prizes at the end. You probably heard me say already. We got some Sid the Kid Contenders at a $4.99. Cup Contenders. Going to Brian. Oh my God, Brian got a point. He's not even here tonight yet. Brian got a point already. Stop the train. Andrew, you got a 10th, and Thomas got a 10th. Bernier should be minus points today. Matt, Corey Perry, Tex, Callahan. Oh, for Florida and Daniel, we got a parallel. And that's exactly what they call this. They call this a parallel. So you got a parallel out of 100. Brian Campbell, it's going to get you 1 point. Dylan, you got a 10th. And Mario, another 10th. Ryan, a 10th. PJ, a 10th. Tex. Brian. And Mike. Everybody got 5 different 10ths in that one. Boo base packs. Adam. Got a NHL Inc., I think, coming up here. Pepador, you're on the board with a 10th. Oh. Wife beater. Hard autograph. NHL Inc. Go to the LA Kings and Tex, who's lost his connection again, but you got a Slava Voinov. Hard auto. Andrew 10th and Tex, or Daniel 10th. That should be a minus point too, I know. But 3 points, NHL Inc. hard auto. Taz 10th. Montreal, Matt. Autograph for Andrew, I think. Hard auto, 3 points, Andre Palat. Too bad, good auto there. Andrew and Adam. PJ 10th. Tex. Taz. Renault. And Andrew. Just a couple autos left. And remember, we might get a hot box in this pile too. I've got auto coming up here. Looks like. PK, Montreal, Renault, for Toronto, and Rob. There you go, Rob. You're up at the top of the standings with the rest of the guys. Josh Lebo, hard autograph. Thomas and Andrew. A lot of base. Alright, Ottawa, Andrew. Buffalo Taz. Oh, hello. Classic Sigs for the Boston Bruins. And Ryan, this is pretty cool, Ryan. Joey Juneau. By the way, do you know that he was actually a rocket scientist too? With the horrible pun I added there. Yeah, he had a degree in rocket science. Tex and Dylan. But anyways, nice 3 points, hard auto. That's probably it for autos, unless we got a hot box going on. Oh, a spacer on this one. Weber for Pepador. Tex. Spacer for me. Mario and Brian. PJ. Rob. Oh, another classic Sig auto. For the Calgary Flames and Mike. Nice. Valerie Bure. I think he actually married, what's her face from Full House? Remember that? What, Blondie? Oh, I forget her name. Renault and Andrew. So that's like more than 4 autos already, isn't it? So maybe we got maybe we got a hot box going on here. Candace Cameron, yeah, Ryan. There you go. Mario, Ryan. Contenders at a $4.99. Cup Contenders. Drew Stafford for Buffalo and Tazer getting a point. Andrew and Mario base. Taz, Andrew, Matt, Andrew and Brian base. We got a Tex base, definitely a hot box because Dylan's just got a hard autograph of Steve Alexi. Dylan just left too. And for Daniel 10th and Mario 10th. Definitely a hot box. Might be a couple more autos still. The first box is a hot box, 8 autos. Pretty sweet. Okay, so PJ, Rob, Taz, Mario, and Tex. This is gonna be a weird one, man. A fun little biggins. Tex, Mario for Tex, so 1 point. Besna Contenders Lundqvist, serial number gets you a point. PJ and Andrew, or Rob, I should say, and last pack. Probably an auto in there. Let's see, Ryan. Ooh, there's something good in there actually. Mike. NHL, oh, not too bad, actually. Ryan, last team mojo or what, buddy? NHL Inc., Riley Smith. So I think you're off to the biggins lead in the first box. Attaboy. Tex and Andrew. There we go. That's it for this biggins, guys. Lots of nice autos to go around. So check the standings in a few minutes and it'll be updated within an hour. Anyways, thanks a lot for your support. I'll catch you all on that next biggins. There's 9 left. Probably go tomorrow. So have a great night.